Is your iPhone battery draining fast, even on standby? Here's how to fix it in seconds. Let's start with changes in battery settings. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, click on the Battery option. Now, at the top, turn on the toggle for the Low Power Mode option. Next, click on the Charging option. Here, look for the Optimized Battery Charging option, then turn on the toggle next to it. This reduces background activity and helps preserve battery health over time. The next step is Adjust Auto Brightness. For this, open the Settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, under the Vision section, click on Display and Text Size. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Now turn on the toggle next to Auto Brightness. This prevents your screen from using full brightness unnecessarily. The following step is turn on Reduce Motion. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Here, under the Vision section, click on Motion. Next, at the top, turn on the toggle for the Reduce Motion option. This reduces animations, making your device smoother and more energy efficient. Up next, turn off haptics. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you will see different options. Scroll down and look for the Keyboard Feedback option, then tap on it. Now two options will appear. Turn off the toggle for the Haptics option. Next, go back to the previous page. Then for the System Haptics option, turn off the toggle. Disabling haptic feedback minimizes battery usage. Changes in privacy and security. In the Settings app, scroll down and click on the Privacy and Security option. At the top, tap on Tracking. After that, turn off all the toggles next to the apps. Next, go back to the previous page. Scroll down and look for the Analytics and Improvements option. Then, tap on it. Now turn off all the toggles next to the options in the page. These settings prevent background tracking, saving battery life. Stop AOD wallpaper drain. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Look for the Always On Display option, then click on it. After that, under the Customize section, toggle off the switch next to the Show Wallpaper option. When your iPhone is locked, the wallpaper won't appear. Which tip helped you the most? Comment battery. If your battery lasts longer now, like and follow for more iPhone tricks.